Okay, this is our bubble letter video. So a lot of the times we need to use bubble letters to make big posters. For this part, we need it to do our portfolio. So here's my portfolio. It opens in the middle, and I'm actually going to put my name across it. I would like my name like in the middle. You could put your name up top. But we're going to start with my name down in the middle. So I'm going to put my first name so that way anybody who knows it's mine. I'm also going to put my last name down at the bottom, but you guys don't have to do that unless you have somebody else that has your name. So when I do mine, I like to write my name normal, really light, because we want to do it light until we get it right. That way I know if I do it like this, I know that it's going to fit on my paper. So you can see that I fit all the way across. Then I'm going to start bubbling. So when I do my bubbles, there's a couple of different ways. So you can do square bubbles where you're more square at the ends, or you can do round bubbles. Round bubbles are easier, and you're just going to go around your letters. Okay, I want to round that M that's on the inside, and then you're going to take your good eraser and you're going to erase the line in the middle. That's one way to do bubble letters. You can also do square letters where they have a good square line at the end. Okay, if like my E has a space in the middle, you can go and put your space in the middle. You can just add it to the side like I did that one. So that way you don't even have to erase anything. Okay. S's, sometimes they can get a little tricky. So make sure you do it light. Because right here, see if I went over, I'm going to have to go over my line. So I'm going to draw one S, then I'm going to draw another S and connect it. So this is how I do my bubble letters. I have seen people who go like this around their letters to make them big, so I'm doing it nice and soft. Okay, nice and soft. And then they trace around that. So that's their bubble letter. They can erase that or they can leave it. Okay, you are going to have to do bubble letters on your own. So some of the harder letters, let's see, R is kind of hard. Okay, I can do mine without having to do the thing in the middle, or you can go ahead and do the thing in the middle and box around it, and then go and erase. Okay. Let's see, what else is hard? Sometimes Q's are hard. Little case Q's are hard. And then you erase. Okay, so there's a bunch of different ways you can do that. I'm going ahead and erase these ones because those ones aren't part of my name. As long as your first name is in bubble letters, that's all we need for this portfolio project. I'm also going to write my last name below it. Okay, so that way I know it's mine. And then you can start drawing around it, in it. We want to make sure to do everything in pencil first, really light, so that way if we mess up, we can always go back and erase anything that's not supposed to be there, and then we can go back and color it. Once you have everything the way you want it with your pencil, then you can ask to move on to colors. If you guys have any questions, you guys can ask me. If you need help with your bubble letters, I'll be around to help you. Thanks.